Oh, I'm having a stroke. My head, please.
All right. Let's not make a big deal out of this. Thank you for so swiftly honoring my request.
Just take the sheathing off.
Brought to you by the all-new tech-forward 2020 Lincoln Corsair.
Now, I don't do this very often because it's been raining 4 days straight.
Waffles and chicken Pringles.
Inside work.
It was funny and easy back then. Oh, wait a minute. That ain't it, is it? Waffles and chicken Pringles. Things were good back then.
Found the item I want to buy. So let's go in here and see if they got any.
Oh, I'm having a stroke. My head, please.
How you doing, man?
What's up, man? Got me good. Don't eat too much cake. White cake or a chocolate cake? What kind you want? Oh. Yeah, be good, baby.
God damn it.
Well, that was a waste of time. Drove all the way up here. Trying to find some more of those. And they didn't have any. Not a one. Didn't even have a place for one.
I know the only reason to travel by train is to travel with weapons, and we all know that at the end of this line, there's only one creature worth killing.
Man, that lake, that wasn't nice.
Well, it sure wasn't much of a haul today. I guess start with the worst first. Got shoes for $2 a piece. And these are Florsheim, so I should be able to get probably 20 for these plus shipping. These New Balance I'll probably get like $13.99 with shipping, 14 maybe. These Nike I should have inspected a little bit better, because not only do they not have any insoles, but the back's blown completely out of this one. So yeah, paid $2 for those. So that money's wasted. Those are garbage. Went by the Dollar Tree, picked up these bolts, bought the whole display. As you can tell, these are also under a different name, Erector, like Erector sets. This is Meccano, and this is the race car and the biplane and the bulldozer and the helicopter. And I'll probably sell them in sets like that. So I'm hoping to get like $12.99, $11.99 for the set plus shipping. They're very light. That would ship under a pound, I think. So probably $12.99 first class shipping. I drove to the nearest town, the next nearest town, and went to their Dollar Tree, which was brand new, and they did not have these. As you can tell, I got almost a whole thing. They sold 3 out of it. So I was hoping I could catch the next store and buy the whole spiel, right? But it wasn't to be. They didn't have them. And I wasn't going to spend all day driving around buying up buying up these little things. But I thought it was worth, you know, at least checking one more store, so I did. And like I said, it wasn't to be. Remember, or not, but I had spoken to the woman up here at the thrift store, and she said that she was going to save all the video games and sell them to me for $2 a piece. And just put them back and call me when she had some, and I'd come get them. It's been a week. She didn't call me, so I thought I better check. And sure enough, they was out for sale. So, for whatever reason, they decided Xbox games are $3 and PlayStation 2 games are $2. I guess because it has 2 in the name. But either way, that's the way they did. Maybe I'll have another word with my friend at the thrift store. But I got that game. I figured it being Japanese or whatnot, it'd be worth something. It's not. It's like a $6.95 game. This was a PlayStation 2 box, Spider-Man, and it was inside it was a PlayStation 3 game called Sleeping Dogs, which also isn't that valuable. This game, Tekken Tag Tournament on PlayStation 2, seems to be worth about $10. And this Xbox game, Brute Force, seems to be worth about $7.99 to $9.99 with free shipping. So not a lot of money there. Got this cedar box. It needs a little love. The hinges are kind of wonky on it, and they tore the lining out. You can see it used to have a lining up there. I might see it doesn't set very well. Anyway, I might fix that. That might be a project for one of these winters, or maybe Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun will want to get that for a presentation box for some of his poured silver. The world may never know. But this is Man Mountain Link. Oh, I got the rocket too out of the free box. I figured old Scrappy might want to make a mold out of that. I don't know. Now that I'm looking at it, he probably won't. That thing's crooked as all get out, ain't it? Alright, this is Man Mountain Link. Here's your video, Bobby.
God damn it.
Well, if I'm not all over chagrin. I got to putting the stuff up and realized there was a whole bag that I didn't even go through. I was in such a hurry to get the video over and done with that I kind of rushed through it. I mean, not that there was a whole heaping bunch to begin with, but when you don't go through one of the few sacks you do have, it really does make for a short video. So bear with me for a few more minutes and we'll get through this together. For $1, I picked up a roll of Fragile Handle with care stickers. That's a good deal. Can't buy them off eBay for that. Got another one of these Pillsbury Doughboy Frisbees. Has a scratch there. Put the pink ones up for $9.99. I'll put that one up for the same money, I guess. Brand new vintage Rayovac flashlight holster. I have no idea if it's worth anything or not, but I paid $0.25 for it. A quick change plug. Paid $0.25 for it. Replacement spout. This is a Blitz. If anybody has tried to put gas on a lawnmower lately, you realize they've made these fancy OSHA approved spouts that you can't get gasoline out of to save your damn life. Well, this is the fix for that, and these are getting harder to come by. This one's going to stay here on the Ponderosa. Same thing with these. These are vintage canning lids. These actually have some value, but they're going to be used here in the homestead. Looks like Curtis is coming home. Last item, a bunch of drawer pulls. I paid $0.25 a piece for them. Who doesn't like eagles? I figure that for $0.25 a piece, I'd give that. And that finishes it up. And this is Man Mountain Link, over and out.
If y'all get a chance, check it out. Check out the channel. And Man Mountain Link, even though, I don't know, you know, Man Mountain Link. But they both growing, so subscribe.